Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here's why the Vimmern faucet from IKEA is incompatible with the IKEA farm sink. Okay, these two items are supposed to go together. First of all, the farm sink is phenomenal. It's awesome. All right, so here we go. Let me turn it on. Let me show you. This little tiny corner, that's where you can wash stuff. So let me grab something here, okay? All right, let me just pretend to be washing this thing. Right here, this is my power zone right here. This tiny little quadrant between the corner and the faucet. Things get bumped and break easily because the swing arm in kitchen hardware parlance, this is called the reach. The reach is only 9.5 inches. The hole is way back here, and so before you even get to the lip of the sink itself, you've taken up half or more of the reach, right? And so again, this is all we have to play with. That's why it's incompatible. How am I going to do dishes with two hands unless I got to hold it out here? And so what do? I go shopping for a different faucet. And they all have the same reach, 9 to 10 inches. There's no variation, and most of the variation is where they measure from. If you measure center to center, it's 9.5. You can buy one that's 10.1. I went on to Amazon, Home Depot, Lowe's. Good luck finding one that's more than 10.1 inches reach. And even that, what's that get me? It doesn't even get me to the center of the drain. I need one that reaches out to here. You know, I bought a kitchen style one, but I mean a professional style one, or I looked at them, but they go up so high that they bump the lamp. Now, you may not have a lamp here, and this may just be a ridiculous lamp and incompatible with my kitchen setup. Let me stand back and show it to you. Let me turn it off. But you get the idea. It's still just a residential kitchen, and it's still just a residential kitchen, so how big of a faucet do you want to get? Any kind of faucet, not just these. These they're called pre-rinse style. Any kind of faucet isn't going to reach more than 9 or 10 inches. If you find one, put it in the comments section. Thank you.